Unlocking the meaning behind a dull day. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic that often pops up in English conversations: a dull day. We'll explore what this phrase means, where you might encounter it, and how to use it in your own conversations. So, let's brighten up the understanding of this phrase together. When you hear someone say it's been a dull day, they're not just talking about the weather. Dull can mean lacking interest or excitement. So, a dull day is one that is not exciting, eventful, or stimulating. It's often used to describe a day that was monotonous or unremarkable, something that didn't stand out or provide any particularly interesting moments. In English, describing a day as dull can reflect not only the events, or lack thereof, but also the person's mood or the general atmosphere. For instance, if someone says, "I'm having a dull day at work," it suggests that their workday isn't providing anything engaging. Context is key, and the phrase can be flexible based on the situation. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in everyday conversation. At work, can we do something different today? It's been such a dull day in the office. Socially, let's go out tonight. I don't want another dull day at home. Reflective, looking back, my routine was a sequence of dull days until I took up hiking as a hobby. These examples show how the term can be used to convey a sense of boredom or a need for change. While a dull day might sound negative, it isn't always bad. Some people might use the term to describe a break from chaos or a much-needed quiet period. For example, after a busy week, I enjoyed having a dull day. I needed some time to just relax. Seeking tranquility, I'm looking forward to a dull day on the beach with just a book for company. Recognizing the nuance in this phrase can help you understand the speaker's perspective better. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, a dull day, and how you can use it in various contexts. Remember, English is full of phrases that capture the complexities of our daily experiences in just a few words. Keep practicing, and you'll find that each day is far from dull when you're learning something new. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content next time.